So now what we're doing, this is our synthetic nailer board. It's about 3/4 of an inch thick, and it's almost 4 inches wide or tall, depending on how you want to lay it down. Now for this particular application, what we're actually going to do is we're going to lay this flat on the ground, very similar to a tack strip for carpet. Well, we don't need all 4 inches of this, so what we're actually going to do is we're going to rip this in half, right down the middle, and then we only just need it wide enough so that we can actually drill into it to add our compression screw. Now, what I like to use, these are Redheads, these are hammer set, they're compression nails, and I like the 2-inch. So what this is a nail within a sleeve. And as we drill into this with the hammer drill, this essentially just goes right through the hole that we made. We tap it in. It basically creates compression, or it causes the nail to expand the metal out and around, and it doesn't come out. Works fantastic. You can still use Tapcons. I find this to be a lot faster to utilize and work with. But again, it's whatever you prefer. So we're going to rip this in half, and your end result is going to be just a little less than a 2-inch wide strip, which is plenty of room to go ahead along the perimeter and to drill a hole and get this secured. Now, this is 3/4 of an inch thick, which actually happens to be the same thickness as our drain tile. So what works out fantastic is this becomes our perimeter nailer board edge that we have fixed into the concrete, and then we put on the inside field, we put our drain tile. So we're going to go ahead and rip these, and